The next day at lunch. Told you you can't fight. No offense, but it's kind of true. That's why you look all beat up. That's very rude. Ugh. She didn't even punch that hard anyways. From what I see, it looks like she did. Whatever. Should we do it? Oh my god, are you okay? Oh. Yeah. Anyways, should we? I mean, yeah. We don't want to be part of your group anymore. What? What? Girls, what are you doing with your lives? I was the one who made you popular. Yeah, and we don't like it. You always make fun of people. You call us stupid names. And you're just so rude. Ugh, fine then, leave. I don't need your time. Let's go. Hey, can we sit here? Oh my dog, are you okay? Yeah. Yeah, you could sit here. No one sits here. Okay, thank you so much. Well, if you're asking, I came in late to class, so that's why I'm by myself. Oh, okay. Aren't you from the Populars or something? Yeah, but we ditched her. She's just really rude. Yeah, she's like mean to us. Oh. Yeah, but... Oh, looky what we have here. Huh? Lonely Sausage is supposed to be in her pack. Let's go have a speech. Hey, what do you want, Lauren? Aren't you supposed to be in a pack? Where's your minions? They left me, okay? They just left. Who's sorry now? Me. Okay, let's make a deal. If you stop interrupting me and my life, since I'm a new kid, me and my friends and my boyfriend, if you stop interrupting us, then we'll leave you alone, not call you sausage, have nothing to do with you, and never talk to you again. Well, that makes school a little boring, doesn't it? Yeah, but it makes it better for us. What a boring life you live. Okay, then the roasting will keep coming. Ta-ta! Ugh. Why do I do this to myself? Ugh. Okay, class, come in. Did you girls still leave my group? Girls, we're talking about something. Maybe gonna go back to you, maybe not. Let us think. At this point, she's just desperate for us. I know, right? Should we go back to her? I don't know. Same. Well, I mean, I guess so we should. I guess. Right? I mean, I do feel bad, but she can't fight. And she gets into a lot of trouble, and she makes fun of us all the time. True, but... Blah, 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 blah. I mean, I guess we should tell her. I guess. Here goes nothing. Hey, did Jessie... Oh, yeah? Let me guess, no. No, we guess we could go back. Thanks, I was getting a little desperate there. Yeah, we know that. Whatever. Oh, girl. Oh, whatever. You're still my BFF, right? Yeah. Okay.